So guys, for the first step, you want to go into your motherboard BIOS. So to get there, you want to click on the Windows Start icon, click on the power button, and then click on Restart. As your computer is restarting, you want to spam the key which will take you into your BIOS. It depends on your motherboard. On my motherboard, I'm using a Gigabyte one. I have to spam delete on my keyboard, which will then take me into the BIOS. It will be different for every motherboard. It might be like delete, or maybe F1, F2, F3, F4, or escape. Check the manual that comes with your motherboard, or just check online. So now you just want to restart your computer. And now the computer is restarting. And now it's turning on again. Now I'm just going to spam the delete key on my keyboard. It's going to be different for you probably. It will then take me to this screen. And now once you're on this, you're going to look for an option that's called Secure Boot. It's going to be different for every BIOS version, but you want to look under the BIOS tab, Security tab if you have that, the Boot tab. It will be different in every BIOS version, but you want to look for Secure Boot. You want to make sure you have the Secure Boot turned off. You want to make sure that it's disabled. And if you have something called CSM support, make sure that that's been enabled. So you want to enable CSM support, then you want to find Secure Boot, wherever that is on your motherboard BIOS, and then you want to make sure that you have that disabled. Then you just want to click on Save and Exit, Save and Exit Setup, and then yes, it will then take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.